everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this nice, long, soft wavy unit from NAYASA here on Amazon.com. So if you're interested in this gorgeous unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from NAYASA here on Amazon.com, and they've reached out to me to review this gorgeous unit for you all. This unit is so beautiful. I love the style of this unit. It is very long. On me, it could be like 30 inches, but it is 26 to 28 inches in length. She is quite long, a very long unit, but she is so gorgeous and soft. But before I get into my thoughts, let me give you the specs of this unit. So this unit here is a right-sided part. It does come with lace, but it's not ear to ear. It's literally a little piece of lace, and the rest of it is practically a lace skin top finish. And also on the interior of this wig, there are two combs at the front, one at the back with adjustable straps. The cap size on this is a 22 to a 22.5 inch cap, so it is pretty standard for most head sizes. So for this unit, it is also a color 2, and I do love the color as well. The color isn't coming off as a color 2 to me. It's coming off of more like a color 1B. It's not totally on the brown side, but I do love how this falls. It is nice and it's long, and it's a nice long and wavy unit, and for the price, the quality is bar none. Like, the quality is on point for this unit. It's quite soft, it feels great through the hands, and it doesn't tangle as much. It may tangle at the ends just a little bit, nothing to worry about. It is expected with longer units. Of course, I do expect some form of tangling with these longer units, but as you can tell here, she is gorgeous. I love how soft this is, and it's so easy to manage. And of course, the parting space here, I did add a little powder to the parting space so that it can mesh better with my hair. So this is what it's looking like right now. So the parting space is practically like around 4 to 5 inches back. It is a nice swoop to the right, if you will. I love that. If you have a particular side that you like, I prefer it. I don't know, I don't have like a preference in terms of parting spaces. I usually will always go with the middle because they always look good, but I don't mind side parts, and this one looks really pretty. I do love how this turned out. I didn't add any heat to it at all. Again, this is one of their other units that didn't need any sort of like heat to it. As you can see here, is not bumpy at the at the head or anything like that. You can definitely add more heat to it if you would like, but this is me without any heat to it. So this is practically straight out of the pack, and it looks amazing. I love how this feels. The length is quite long. I don't have any cons with this unit. In particular, I do have a lot of pros in terms of the length, the color, and also the texture of this unit is very nice, and it's easy to manage. And of course, the price. I will give this wig a 10 out of 10 for me. It's gorgeous. I love it, and it doesn't come in any other colors. Of course, if you would like to know more about that, they usually update their listing, so I will definitely keep you updated. Just please be sure to check my pinned comments and also in the description box as well. For now, they only have the color 2, and that's all they have right now, but if anything, I will keep you all posted. Thank you so much, NAYASA here, for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms, and as well as subscribe, like, and share this video, and click on that notification bell so you'll be notified of any other future uploads that I will be posting. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.